Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore an important topic from the Microsoft Certified Power BI Data Analyst Associate certification, creating model calculations using DAX. First, let's quickly review the basics of the PL-300 exam. Skills measure. Creating model calculations using DAX. In Power BI, DAX is a powerful tool for data modeling and calculations. Today we will focus on how to create calculated columns and measures using DAX. Okay, let's take a look at the relevant test questions. Question why? You need to create a calculated column to display the month based on the reporting requirements. Which DAX expression should you use? The correct answer is why? In this question, we need to extract the month from a date field and display it in the MMMIYYY format. Option A correctly uses the format function to format the date, making it the correct answer. Question 2. What should you create to meet the reporting requirements of the sales department? The correct answer is why? In this question, our task is to count the number of sales records. The CONTROS function is used to count the number of rows in a table, so option C is the correct answer. That's all for this video. We hope these insights help you better understand the relevant topics for the PL-300 exam. If you found this video helpful, please follow us to get the latest content. Thank you for watching and see you next time.